What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Team, what's happening? Team, what's happening? Team. Here we are, guys. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. We did speak about it. We said that today we're gonna be looking at the markets live when the NFP market is going on, and we did show up, man. We did show up. We did show up. We did show up. We did show up. So yeah, man. Today I'm not at home. You guys can see the backgrounds and stuff. So yeah, I just decided that still nothing holds me back. We're still going more in, man. We are still going more in. So I'm using one screen right here in front of me. So hopefully, we'll just see what's going on. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope we are all winning. We are all, yes, 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 man. Yes. Oh, I can see there's so many people that are now currently joining us. Yeah. So one thing that I need you guys to know is that obviously this session is for educational purposes, meaning that nothing that we say or do, like I'm happen to see in the markets, should be used as trading advice, signals, financial, and all those things. But it's just more on what I'm seeing, what I see, what I'm seeing. So just a quick update as well. Looking at it, let me just share my screen, present, share screen, share. I think, yeah, no, Chrome tab, GBP, this, yes. There we go. Okay, perfect. So yes, I'm sharing my screen now. I'm using one screen. So yeah, this is gonna be insane. This is gonna be epic. But one thing that I want us to take a look at is, you see, with this, because I was already in on GBP USD plus as well on gold. I was already in, and price took me out here with locked in profits, which means that it took me out with maximum profits. You understand? So yeah, man, currently we just want to see what's more likely to happen, because the news are going to be coming out. Let me just come here, refresh real quick. The news are going to be coming out in a minute from now. So obviously, like I did say, not like nothing that we do here obviously is going to be used like signals and all those things. But with the looks of it, let me just see what the dollar index is at. Okay, so far the last thing that I can spot is that currently we are here at resistance. Price was here at resistance. It retested, went a bit more down. With the looks of it, I'm still seeing maybe there could be a selling power a bit more to the bottom because of also this 15-minute candle. Just here at support. The support, it rejected engulfing going down. Obviously, I'm using candlesticks, like things such as like candlestick confirmation with this engulfing and so on. But with the, I'm getting a call. Why are people calling me during these times? People don't have timing, when we're hustling, we're putting in the work, and they're able to just give calls. But with the looks of it here, obviously I'm still seeing price maybe just potentially just a young spec up, and then also yeah, potentially this one here, it's a bit too tricky because here already how it's moving. You can see this beautiful, it's more like a breakout. It broke out here, so we'd have to just wait and see. Let me see Euro USD, Nasdaq as well. But let's just see what's gonna happen, because with this one I wanted to sell it here, so you can see now this is the way the spike is happening. The NFP is now coming up. See here, see what's happening. Price is now coming back up close to entry here. This is where I'm more likely to take like maybe a sell entry, whatever the case is, right here. So I'd want even price to just cool off a bit, but I can see already. Let me see what the dollar index is saying. See that sell that we spoke of. Let's see GBPUSD as well. See that buyout price moving upwards, but obviously it's not the strongest, because you can see how it's moving. Let's see the gold market. Gold as well started pushing upwards. Because why? Because it's showing that, let's see, come here, here's the news outcome forecast was 159, actual news is a bit less. So let's see what that means. If actual is greater than forecast, is good for currency. So actual is actually lesser than forecast, which means that it's not that amazing. But previously, it's more higher than previous. Because looking at it, previous it was 125, now it's 151. So it's more higher, but in terms of forecast, it's less. So it's not the best for currency, which means that we could still potentially see the dollar index selling out, continue selling out for the next week. So how I'm able to use this to my advantage is it allows me to be able to understand what's more likely to happen for the next week as well. Because once this come out, it can affect the next few days, the next few weeks, even the next few months. You understand? Because right now, obviously, these are technicals. So price might potentially retest somewhere, somehow. Let's say, for instance, this is the first retest that came up here. Obviously, looking at it, and what I'm having here is this. What I'm having here as well is this. Right here, resistance here. So obviously, what could potentially happen is if price comes back here within structure, then there could be some sellers here, going all the way down. That's gonna be amazing for me. I think that would be a clean one. Why? Because of the fact that if you sell somewhere here, stop loss is gonna be limited. It's gonna be somewhere here, and then take profits would be here. Because ultimately, we're still seeing that this is gonna sell. Euro USD. Let's see. So yeah, let's see GBP. Yes, so GBP as well. It's more on like if I just already this trade that I was in, I went out with maximum profits here, so I'm okay with it. So right now, what I'm seeing is price can potentially maybe come here and then go back up. Why? Because of this being our first touch, this being our second touch, and as well here being our third touches here. You see, this area being third touch. So obviously, if like I'm looking for entry, me personally, what I'll do is the more likely to enter when price gets here, rejects, because they will allow me to have a stop loss just below here. And as well, even first take profit, look at it 3.19. And then ultimately coming all the way up here, it's 8%. So right now, obviously, where it is, it's tricky, you know. We just need to check through with it. So let me just see what the members actually done in when the market started like showing all that. Let me just see what the members all done. What actually was the members looking at? What are you guys looking at? How did you guys react to it? The looks of it, this is gonna be a nice buyout moving forward. This as well, still seeing this being a nice buyout moving forward. It's gonna be a nice buy. It's just a matter of entry, obviously. US Tech, same thing, matter of entry. It's gonna be a nice sell that's more like the happen, but I'm still waiting for price to come back here for a nice clean sell and then sell out here. Okay, and then right here with this one here, same thing. I see this big spike that came up here, but it doesn't really mean that it there's still more potential of it going upward, meaning that it doesn't mean it's gonna go down from here. I still see it coming back up here because this is where my entry is gonna be, and then go all the way down with the gem. GPSD, I can see now this one here already from it broke out this pattern, went up, and nicer entry would be it coming somewhere below here. So we'll see. But obviously, if it breaks above here, means that price is gonna most likely come back, treat this area as support, and then continue going back upwards. But yeah, man, I'm excited, man. I am excited. I am excited. So let me just see what the members done. I just want to engage now with you guys to see what exactly you guys were able to do. Dollar index sells gold, GPSD buy period. So me, obviously, I didn't place trades exactly when the NFP came out. But I miss Lester. I hate missing these sessions. Nah, it's okay. I understand. I understand. Don't sweat it. Don't worry too much. Check gold. We're looking at gold, man. We are looking at gold. So here it's more like same thing. If price breaks above here, then obviously it's gonna come back test here now, and then still continue upwards. But we're still seeing a buy ultimately. If it goes below, we're still seeing a buy as well. I'm going with this. Gold, still seeing a buy as well. It's just a matter of where exactly. So I'm just gonna adjust this. So already I took a buy here. I was in a buy here. I went out profits. I took profits here just before NFP. Even this GPSD, I took a buy. I went out profits just before NFP. So what is looking at it, especially here, I highly believe that there's a high chance that price is gonna. This could be a retest, maybe come back down here, and then we see that push upwards. There's gonna be a trade that's gonna be ready for the week. This trade is gonna more likely be ready for the new week that's coming up. But let me just see account low. I think USD can be with it. Nasdaq took me out before buying. So what it took you out in terms of what? So let me see Nasdaq. It took you out how? Because this it didn't even go down here. So account gone already, but we're still here in the game. So, account gone. Oh, wow. Lol, but account gone. Lampola. Yeah, that's true, but that's all. It's killing. Like people that say account gone, like you guys are killing because like what does it mean? Did you guys go full margin in? Or what? Like or what actually happened? Let me just quickly take this call. Away, guys. We back. Sorry about that. We're hustling. So yeah, man. I'm just with a couple of people right now. So we're gonna be hustling more, going more deep in terms of seeing what the NFP, how to take advantage. Because like I did say, me, I don't treat it coming out like this, but I treat the after effect. Because I know that I might find an opportunity like around 4:30. Because looking at it, obviously we did say this sellers here, there was here, but this seller's coming here, but the ultimate one we wanted press to push here so that it goes down. This is gonna be much more better. It will give us a nice risk to reward and so on. But already with the NFP market, we're seeing that price is still gonna continue selling, which means that still in alignment with our overall setup that we're looking at for the week. You see, so a lot of people are asking me when news come out, does it affect you? Does it change you? But if you're able to see that nothing, look at me. First touch, second touch, third touch, price is still going to continue going down. We're not changing anything. We definitely are not changing anything. Best three setups come 15, 20 after me. Yes, that's true. I like this. No, I like this. This is actually powerful. The best trades actually come 15 or 20 minutes after the news actually happened, not exactly when the news is going on. So that's why you need to see how the market reacted. And then that's why they say once the people who were impatient, the ones that are now becoming patient, will be able to find the right opportunities. You understand? And then we didn't even when I mean gamblers accounts are gone. We are still with that's true, man. I mean, yeah, with us, man. We still in fact for the week I'm happy, man. The GBP trades, gold, trades that we took for the week, man, they actually put me heavily up. So we excited, man. In all accounts, we all up, we heavily up. We heavily up. So obviously the ones that are like, trading, and those are the ones that are like taking different types of risks, on which I don't know why you still trade like that, because I don't know, it's not working. Those methods are not really working. I don't trade when the news are released. I normally trade the effect after the news. So I'm waiting. Patience is key. I love this. I love this, Cabo. I love this. This is powerful, man. This is powerful. Let's like the page, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's do this. Let's make sure that we're hitting that like. If you're not, nice one, team. Nice one. Nice one. What do you look for after the news come out? Candlestick pattern, support low. Yes, so I look for the same things that I look in terms of on the when before the news comes. Let me just show you quick. Already for me, the trades that took me out like on this account. This is more on like this account. Already I was up by. Obviously, this is not because of NFP right now. It's just the trade that I was already running because at max I was holding like 15K in terms of profits. but eventually we're able to just close up 10K in terms of the profit. So just check it out. If you are not in our Telegram group, do check it out, do check it out, do check it out. And also on the prop account, let me just show you guys real quick the prop account. How am I gonna do that? Let me just show you guys also the prop account that I'm currently dealing with. Let me show you. Already we're still also profitable, man. Sonia wanted to just come up for this clean entry. See, it was nearly there. It was nearly there. But this is the ultimate thing in terms of patience. You need to wait for your setup. So let me just show you guys the prop that we're trading with. Let me just present, share screen. I'm using one laptop here, guys. So where's this? Oh yeah. Yes. So you can see analysis how, just to show you what the days are looking like type thing. See the net P&L, we up by 1.1. Overall, you can see at max we're holding 1.14 at max. So let me just come to the trading journal. See, I mean, Wednesday was when I closed $300 in negative, but today we made, like, let's say close to $600. Monday, Tuesday we made $600, close to 520, 530. Monday we made 250. So basically, you see, still up. So to pass, obviously, I'm just left with let me just see, still have a way to go. Still up. I'm basically 10% of my profit target. I'm 10% of my profit target. 10%. You can see all my trades, 100% transparent, guys. 100% transparent. You can see them. But this session is not to show you my account, it's just to show you that I don't gamble. I actually trade what I see. I wait for the setups, I analyze, wait for it to play out, and so on. So let's see BTC what it done. So yeah, man, you remember on the few sessions we said that it might potentially just come down that touch here and then go back up. So that's what I'm seeing. Price looks like it's more likely to play out some move like that. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna remove this bigger structure, remove this bigger structure, take this 60 minute, and then come here. Yeah, more like this, you see, and then basically maybe a third touch cleaner, and then price goes back up. If not, maybe price might just break out. So it's two scenarios. We'll see how it reacts here. But with the looks of it, here where it is, it might go down. Here where it is, because of this is the resistance. That touch go down, come here, give us a clean that touch, also a double bottom here, and then push back up. So let me just put this purple just to say that I'm seeing it. Gold also. So with this now as well, I'd like for it to push down. But one thing that I like is that it could also be more potentials of the following weeks to come. You understand? Could be potentials of the following weeks to come. So let's say, for instance, you see here more like this, yes, more like this. If price breaks above here, breaks above, and then there could be sellers here. Just give me a sec. Guys, we're doing this big, guys. So yeah, let me just do this, show you guys. You see here, price might potentially just come here and then re-come back here and then go back up. Like I did say, man, it doesn't mean that when now NFP came, price is gonna like shoot up now. No. It's still the same thing. Patience, man. The market is more about patience. People already lost money, people made money, but that's just, I don't know, impatience. Because for this is not even a trading move for me. Like, if you bought here, what would make you buy exactly here? There's nothing. If you sell, what would make you sell here? Nothing. You understand? So it's not a trading move. You just maybe done that because of FOMO, fear of missing out, and so on. But with us, we're waiting for the right setup. Because obviously, even just adjusting my setups here, you can see. Look here. Look here. Clean, man. First touch, second touch, third touch. So now price is gonna sell, potentially come in, then go back up. I might even take a short-term sell, in fact. Short-term. But obviously I'm not trying to gamble this out, like more of like fear of missing out. Even here, we're looking at the same thing. Once price closes above here, do, do, do you know the feeling of success? Black, and you stressed, and you gotta wake up. Yo, sorry guys, I got distracted. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry. But yeah, so you can see the screen. Can you guys see the screen now? Can you guys see the screen now? Can you guys see the screen now? Can you guys see the screen? Can you guys see? Just confirm. Okay, I don't know what I done. Let me just stop sharing. Present share screen. And sorry about that. Today I'm not at the office, guys. So I'm not in my office. So I'm not trading from my office. I'm now using this. Can you guys see the screen now? Just confirm. Finally now. Oh, okay. Sorry, bros. We lost 7 minutes ago. Yo. Okay, sorry about that, gents. Okay, let me just come back to you guys missed out a lot of value. Okay, with BTC what I was just saying is right here from what I'm seeing, price is here. Price might potentially just come back here, give us a third touch in terms of first, second, third, plus as well double bottom before going back up. Plus looking at it as well, right here we can see it's first touch, second touch, and here where we are more likely to reject and go back down before we go back up. That's BTC. So I'm trying to push quick so you see what I was saying. And then gold, I was basically saying that looking at it, look here, first touch, second touch, third touch here. And then after this third touch that happened here, obviously now we can simply see that there's a high chance that price is more likely to, it's either it can respect this, come back, but this is a short-term trade. Obviously it's not the best, it's a short-term trade, but the ultimate thing is it come here giving us third touch and then pushing back upwards, because if not, then maybe price is going to break out, but I don't see that happening now. I see it still coming. So even if this doesn't happen now, it's more likely to happen for the next coming weeks. And then with this one here, US Tech, I just adjusted price a bit. So with this, I'd like for it to come here at the top. So we sell here at the top. It will be much more better for me. But with the looks of it, it might want to sell here where it's at. On which for me, I wouldn't take the sell here because it's not going to give the best risk to reward. For me, it's not going to give the best, let's say, where it is now. Putting stop loss here and so on. So I'd rather wait for it to really come back here. And then US Tech, this spike that happened here, wanted to catch a sell here. Obviously, during NFP, you can't even execute a trade at this time. But I wanted it to just get here, not here, and see what happened. NFP went and respected our technical. It didn't even, let's say, for instance, some people are trying to catch such a move and triple their accounts. But, it just respected, you understand? And we're still seeing it still come up. With this, I still see this gap has to be filled. And then with GBPSD, obviously, yes, same thing. Once price at least comes here. So there's different types of scenarios. Let me just show you the first one here. See, the price might break above and then come back to retest and then go back up. That's the first. Second, this price just coming back down here and then going back up. But I'd like this one more. This one here, I wouldn't really take it. It's not the best. I'd like this one here. And then USD, no, it's not this one here. No, it's for the day. I'm not seeing it. I'm not feeling it for the day. But yeah, man, we are doing this big, guys. We are doing this big. We are doing this big. We are doing this big. We are doing this. Next one, I'm glad that you can see now, Kelly. Let's go all in. Let's go all in. Let's go all in. Let's go all in. Let's go all in, gents. Let's go all in. We're doing this big. We're not looking back. We're not looking back, man. We're not looking back. I'm here with some of my brothers here. They're just hustling. They're looking at the markets. Like, yeah, man. Yeah, man. We're hustling, man. We're hustling. We're hustling, man. We're just looking at the markets, trying to see what we can do, what we can make, how we can flip certain things. So instead of being with them, basically, I'm here with you. Bro, you don't trade news. See, I don't trade news when they react. I'm more likely to trade the after effects, after effects of the news. I'll wait for the news to play out, and then I'm gonna react to it. You see here what I'm seeing already is this resistance here that's going out here are winning. Then someone, I'm just waiting for this after effect here. And then you can see already here what I'm seeing is this would be a nice let's say price coming here with this. Obviously this is what I'm seeing, obviously, because why, look at it. Look at it. See here, it's gonna be a clean one. Away, bro. So yes, I'm on brothers asking me trade after effects of news. Respect. I love this, man. I love this. This is how it should be. This is how it should be. This is how it should be, guys. This is how it should be. This is how it should be. Is Mr. Gabriel with you today? Because previous session he was with. No. Today is not with me. Today is not with me. I'm just here with different hustlers, different hustlers and stuff. I see someone saying you can't see my screen. I'm gonna reshare. I think when I do something, it shuts down. But I'm gonna try again. Here we go. We're back again. Okay, can you see it now? Sorry guys, today is the first time I'm actually trading away from my screens. So yeah, we're doing this big, man. We are doing this big. We are doing this big. We are doing this big. So you can't see my screen even now. I'm asking myself what's going on. Stop share. Okay, let me wait a bit. Share again. Share screen. Can you see it now? Can you see it now? Can you see my screen? Even now, guys. Yes. Mean that you can see. Can you see it now, or you can't see what's happening? Can you see it? Because I see yes. Is it yes you can see, or yes you can see? Yes, we see. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Let's do, yeah. You see now with BTCSD, I'm seeing this because look at this is gonna be a clean sell from what I'm seeing. But I sold till here, and after price gets here, obviously there's double bottom structure, and then the ultimate buy. This BTC, this is gonna be a clean one from what I'm seeing, obviously. Why? Because of this pattern that we're currently in. First touch, second touch. We're coming here for a third touch, plus this double bottom more likely to happen. Already we had first touch, second touch, and now this area that we at. So a sell out, coming here, and then basically going back up, maybe coming back up to here. That's just what I'm seeing now on BTC Gold, more like same thing. I just want price to push. You see it's coming now. Where it was It's coming, pushing here. Once it's here, it goes back up. US tech. I did mention that I saw here also it makes sense, but the rest to reward doesn't make sense for me. That's why I wouldn't take a sell right now because of the rest to reward. And then this one here, I think I'll rather wait for it for Monday for it to push up, because I still believe the fact that price pushed up and then it rejected, it means that there's still more buyers that might still push up to get to here. You understand? So yeah, and with this as well, look here, price coming back up, retesting and then going back up. Yeah, man, we're doing this big. We're doing this big, guys. We are doing this big, but yeah, man. Today I just want the session to be shorter, nyana, so we don't go too deep. Just make sure that you guys are in the Telegram group. Make sure you are in the Telegram group. Do check out that you're in the Telegram group, because when these setups do play out, maybe I'll be able to share them in the Telegram group. Because right now, obviously, like I did mention, I'm with a couple of, we are with some of my brothers and sisters in them. So I want to be able to focus more on the chat. I mean, see, analyze, and do all those things. But let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this, guys. We're not looking back. We're definitely not looking back. We're not looking back, guys. I love what I'm seeing here. I love this, man. I love what I'm seeing here. The link of your Telegram. Let me give the link of the Telegram group. Also check the first link under this video. The first link, you should find it. But for those that say, wait, I sent the wrong link. Sorry about that. Here's the link. What? So not copying. Okay, guys, just check the first link. I don't know why it's not copying. I do not know why it's not really copying. Just check the very first link that's below in the description, guys. Check the very first link. Check the very first link. But yeah, man, I will update you guys once these trades do play out. Then already I'm seeing this coming here. Then I'll take an entry. So yeah, man, we are gonna be doing this big, guys. We are going to be doing this big. Much more bigger than before, guys. Look here, already this I can see what's going on. Already this as well, I can see some people already. Imagine if you sold here, you thought you were losing. If you bought here, you thought you were winning. You understand? So it's up and down, man. It's up and down. It's up and down. It's up and down, man. So yeah, man. Yeah, man. Also, you see how this one is closing. Obviously, it's gonna be coming here. Third touch, we're gonna take a buy, man. Once it gets here, I am gonna be taking a buy. Then I'm gonna go up with it. So yeah, guys. Let me just be here with my people, just so I'm not on the laptop the whole time. And yeah, man. You guys, what you can do is yes, I can see Michael is asking when is the 25 thing ending. On Sunday we are going to be ending the Chasers University, and it's going to be now updating, going to a different package. So just check the link there. You can take advantage of it. You definitely can take advantage of it. You can take advantage of it, team. You can take advantage of it. I'll also make sure that I leave it in the Telegram group. So yeah, man. Yeah, man. Let's do this big, guys. Let's do this big. But guys, make sure that you're in the Telegram group so that we're able to connect much more better, much more easier there. And then we'll do this big, guys. We are gonna be doing this big. For me, I'm still observing this trade. I'm still gonna see how I can take advantage. My goal now is not to give back the profits that I already made for the day. So my goal is to now scale it. So if you're in the Telegram, obviously you'd be able to get updates and all those things. Okay, team. But I'll see you guys. Thank you guys so much for joining, team. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.